In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a low Etsy review. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. As an Etsy seller, you know that reviews can make or break your shop. A low review can feel disheartening, but don't worry, there is a way to potentially have it removed. Let's walk through the steps together so you can better understand the process of addressing a negative review. First, the very first thing you need to do is sign into your Etsy seller account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your store's Reviews section. This is where you'll see all the feedback your customers have left for you. Take a moment to read through the reviews and find the specific one that you want to address. It's essential to be clear about which review you are targeting, especially if you have several. Once you've located that pesky review, it's time to take the next step. Look for the report option, which should be located directly under or next to the review in question. Click on that option. Reporting the review is your way of officially notifying Etsy that you believe the review violates their policies. This is an important step in the process. Just remember that it's okay to feel unhappy about the review, but this isn't a place to retaliate. Instead, let the system work for you. Now that you've reported the review, you'll be prompted to choose the appropriate criteria that best describes why you believe the review should be removed. Etsy provides various guidelines to help categorize your report. This could range from the review being unfair or irrelevant to perhaps containing inappropriate content. It's crucial to choose the right reason, as this will help the Etsy support team understand the situation better. Next, you will have an opportunity to provide any necessary supporting information or context to back up your claim. This is a chance for you to explain your side of the story and present any evidence that could support your case. For example, if the review discusses item quality issues that you believe stemmed from shipping errors rather than your product itself, explain this clearly. Offering a straightforward account backed by evidence will strengthen your appeal. After you have filled in all the necessary details and made your case, go ahead and submit your request to the Etsy team. Remember, there is no direct way for you to delete a review yourself. This step is crucial for Etsy to review your claim. They will carefully consider the information you provide before making a final decision. It's important to understand that the process might take some time, so be patient. The Etsy support team will evaluate your request based on the evidence you present and their policies. Even if the review doesn't get removed, responding thoughtfully can still demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction, which can reflect positively on your shop. And there you have it. You now know how to address a low review on Etsy. While it might not always be easy, taking these steps can help to maintain the integrity of your shop. Thanks for watching, and